Golden hour is the easiest time of the day to get incredible shots. At a wedding, usually the 5 minutes so we're outside before sunset are my favorite photos from the entire day. Here is how I do it. I find shooting portrait focal lengths with the widest aperture possible is the easiest for getting great photos at this time of day. Say something like an f1.4 50mm lens or a 70-200 f2.8. Today we're using the Tamron 85mm f1.8. I always shoot wide open at either 1.4, 1.8 or 2.8 depending on the lens. The natural lens softness you'll get from this complements the soft light. My camera is always set to full manual ISO, shutter, aperture, and white balance. In any automatic mode, your camera will be confused. It will either expose like this or like this. You want somewhere in the middle. These shots were all taken at 100 ISO, f1.8, white balance shade, and a shutter speed of 1/500th of a second. Always shoot raw in these situations. You'll have a lot more to work with in editing than if you just shot JPEG. The biggest challenge to shooting these types of portraits is having the weather cooperate, so get out shooting with whoever you can find when you get a great golden hour. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Our dog Richard really appreciates it. We'll get into editing these photos in a future video.